Some houses are built to impress. Others are designed to be remembered. Ashur Mansion belongs to the rare category that transcends architecture and becomes an experience. From the moment it appears, this residence tells a story of precision, emotion, and intentional luxury. Every line, every space, and every transformation reflects a vision where elegance meets atmosphere, where design is not only seen, but deeply felt.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
The front facade of Ashur Mansion establishes its identity with quiet authority. A balanced composition of white stone, arched glass, and gold detailing creates an immediate sense of permanence and refinement. The entrance is not merely a doorway, but a ceremonial threshold, framed by symmetry, scale, and warm illumination. Seasonal decor enhances, never overwhelms, reinforcing the architectural rhythm rather than competing with it. This is where first impressions are carefully engineered to evoke prestige, welcome, and timeless appeal. Stepping inside, the living room unfolds as the emotional core of the mansion. Double-height ceilings amplify light and volume, while arched windows blur the boundary between interior warmth and winter serenity outside. The arrangement balances grandeur with comfort, plush seating, curated materials, and a central fireplace anchoring the space. Design here prioritizes flow and experience, allowing the room to feel expansive yet intimate. It is a space designed for both admiration and connection. The master bedroom is a study in restrained luxury. Soft textures, neutral palettes, and controlled lighting create an atmosphere of calm authority rather than excess. Every element, from the positioning of the bed to the framing of the windows, supports rest and privacy. Seasonal accents are subtle, reinforcing serenity rather than spectacle. This room does not seek attention, it earns appreciation through balance, proportion, and intention. The kitchen of Ashur Mansion merges functionality with refined presentation. Marble surfaces, custom cabinetry, and warm metallic accents transform a working space into a design centerpiece. The layout encourages movement and interaction, while lighting enhances texture and depth. Even during festive transformation, the kitchen maintains clarity and order, proof that elegance is rooted in discipline. This is a space where daily rituals are elevated into experiences. The mezzanine acts as both connector and observer within the home's vertical narrative. Overlooking the living space, it offers perspective, architectural and emotional. Glass railings preserve openness, while curated lighting guides the eye downward and outward. This transitional zone reinforces the mansion's layered design philosophy, proving that no space is secondary. Every level contributes to the whole. In the bathroom, luxury is expressed through calm restraint. Marble surfaces reflect soft light, gold fixtures add warmth, and spatial clarity promotes relaxation. Seasonal elements are integrated with precision, maintaining a spa-like environment rather than a decorative statement. This space is designed to slow time, to offer restoration, privacy, and quiet indulgence. The front yard extends the mansion's architectural language into the landscape. Pathways, lighting, and greenery are composed with symmetry and rhythm, guiding arrival with elegance. Seasonal illumination enhances depth and contrast, transforming the approach into a visual experience. This outdoor space reinforces the narrative established by the façade, measured, refined, and unmistakably curated. The rooftop reveals a more intimate interpretation of luxury. Elevated above the estate, it offers perspective and privacy, blending comfort with openness. Fire elements, layered lighting, and panoramic views redefine outdoor living in winter. This space demonstrates how luxury adapts, not by excess, but by thoughtful response to environment. The working room reflects discipline and focus. Dark wood, controlled lighting, and minimal festive accents create an atmosphere of authority and clarity. This is a space designed for decision-making, where aesthetics support productivity rather than distract from it. It embodies the idea that luxury also serves purpose. The backyard transforms into a private winter retreat. Lighting defines zones, textures soften the landscape, and architectural lines remain visible even under seasonal elements. This space is designed for gathering and reflection, extending interior warmth into the outdoors. It reinforces the mansion's ability to adapt while preserving identity. Ashur Mansion is not defined by ornament or scale alone, but by coherence. Every space, from ground to rooftop, reflects a singular design philosophy, intentional, elegant, and emotionally resonant. It stands as a reminder that true luxury is not about more, but about meaning, clarity, and timeless execution.